Okay, hello guys. So now I will show you on how to install Windows 11 on your Oracle VirtualBox. So let's go. First, click the Add New, name it Windows 11, then finish. Go to Settings and Storage. Click the Empty, and then choose the this logo and get the Windows 11 ISO file. Okay, let's start it up. Wait for the virtual machine to power up. Then after opening, we will be prompt to select image and, and just click next. Next. Oh, there's a product key by the way. You need to input the product key, of course. It's the product key. Okay, enter product key. After entering product key, select image and click next, 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 next. After clicking the next on this window, you can now install it. And after clicking install, it will now install. And we will skip this part since it will take a while to install. Then after installing, the the virtual machine will restart and then open the Windows 11 again and install. Okay, let's just wait. And there you have it. You have successfully installed the Windows 11 on your virtual machine. Uh, This we just need to set up the language and country and the time to match for your Windows 11 to work. So thank you for watching.